how to log out on Twitter or how to log out of Twitter. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Minbasnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of Twitter. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to log out of Twitter, simply open up Twitter app, and there, once on the home page, now I'll just log in real quick here since I'm logged out. So here you should get an interface like this once you open up the app if you are logged in. In order to log out of your account, you want to first tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Once you tap on it here, you'll get various options, right? You want to simply tap on settings and support option there, and then simply tap on settings and privacy. Once you tap on settings and privacy, you can see the very first option that says your account, and you can see security and account access, the second option. You want to head into the first option, your account, and there now you can see the first option under it, account information. You want to simply tap on account information option, and here at the very bottom you can see the red there logout option. Simply tap on it and log out. So this way you can log out of Twitter. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.